Hi, I'm Kate from Veggie Desserts and I'm working with Tefal ActiFry to show you how you can give Takeaway a makeover to make it a bit healthier. So they've given me this board and all I have to do is spin it to see which type of takeaway I'll be making healthier using the ActiFry. The recipe that I'll be making today is crispy tofu in the Tefal ActiFry along with a Thai noodle salad and spicy peanut dressing. So for the tofu, all I need to do is chop it up and then I'll put it into a bowl here with corn flour and then some spices. I've got ground coriander, ginger, a bit of chili powder, onion and garlic. So mix it all together. The corn flour is going to absorb some of the excess moisture in the tofu so it gets extra crispy when it's in the air fryer here. So mix it together and then I just need to put it in here. I'll turn it on, give it about 10 minutes, then just check it and turn all the pieces if they need it. And then give it another 10 minutes and they'll be really crispy and lovely. Meanwhile, I just need to make the spicy peanut sauce and chop the veggies for the salad. So while the tofu is cooking, I've just made up this is the peanut sauce. So it's just peanut butter, a bit of sesame oil, some soy sauce, a bit of spice, and that's what we use to dress our salad. Then I just need to chop up all the veggies, so just get it all really nice and thin. And meanwhile, I've boiled the kettle and I'm just going to soak the rice noodles. They only take about 5 minutes, so I'll do that once the tofu is nearly done. Mix the noodles and veggies together, add the peanut dressing and garnish with herbs, peanuts and sesame seeds. Pile on the crispy tofu and you have a tasty, healthy veg-packed meal.